Hi guys, Rick Damon here at Cowtown, USA with a Charter SE. I mean, a nice trailer, full escape door on both sides. I'll walk you around here a little bit. The gravel guard's good and tall on it. Aluminum wheels, radial tires. I hope that I've mentioned double escape doors. Alright, let me take you around here in the back. Got your full walk-up ramp. Mares and babies, hunter jumper, ATVs, UTVs. You know, this all comes out. It's got your two-way roof fence over each horse's head. You can see here ventilation up in the front. You can be in the tack compartment and look back and see your horses. Nice bars here separate your horses and your horses' heads. This will also swing over out of the way. You can see here the movement here. Big windows at the horse's hips, fully padded, rubber lined. I mean, this is a nice outfit, guys. LED lighting low, tail lights up high as well, and extra load lights there up on top. The extra set of lights, guys, that's a big deal. If cars are behind you and got your vision blocked, the truck driver behind you and got his blocks, what I should say, he can't tell what you're doing with your horse trailer. But with your lights up high, he can see that. So he keep his truck out of the back of yours. Now I'm doing this all with one hand because I'm shooting the video myself, the pictures myself. Pull that mechanism out there. One lock, one key fits it all. Grease fittings on the bottom of your hinges. Swing this around here, just like that. You can sit, lock, and roll into that. One lock here. Come over here the same way. You can see it curl right into place here. Hopefully you can see it right there. Got protection here to keep your trailer from being skinned up. Anyway, guys, 3-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, 8-year structural, new Sundowner. Give us a call, 573-885-6300, 573-885-6300, Cowtown, USA in Cuba, Missouri. Thank you.